So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get free $100 ad coupons from Bing and Google Ads. So if you're doing affiliate marketing, I know money is really important, so this video I'm gonna show you a cool way you can get $100 free. Okay, so guys, let's get started. And guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of affiliate marketing videos where I show you how you can make money online, and I come up with straightforward videos which have proven for me and which work for me. So guys, let's get started. And also guys, okay, if you watch the video till the end, I'm gonna give you one cool trick which is going to save you a lot of money in testing, and you're gonna get results. So guys, let's get started. So guys, as you could see on my screen, it's very simple guys. All you have to do is just go on Google, just write Microsoft Ads $100 coupon. If you're doing it with Google, you could do Google as well, it's the same thing. Once that's open, okay, then all you have to do is just click on the web tech coupon. So I've already done that. Okay, over here, once you are over here, just click over here. I'll just do it again. Let it load again. Google get $100 in search advertisement when you spend 25 in Google advertising. So again, you can just start now, create an ID, and then you get $100 free. So if you spend $25, you get $100 free. Okay, now that's done. Again, I'll show you one more way you can get one more $100. Okay, so again, $200. Voucherstore.net, this is the link. Okay, just voucherstore.net, just type it over there. So if you just go over here, voucherstore.net, okay, once you're over here, shop, Microsoft Ads, Google Ads. So if you could see over here, so again, just for $11, again you're getting $100 as well. Even for Google Ads, again $10 for $100 in Canada, USA. Okay, so there are different things where you could see. Okay, that's done as well. So guys, you get $100. Okay, now the best thing is guys, okay, to save money on testing, again use these two methods where I show you. You get $100 over here, you get $100 over here. Okay, once that's done, let's say you didn't make any money. Okay, again, failing is a part of the process guys. If you're failing, which means you're learning and you're going towards your goals. Okay, that's how it is. Again, let's say you want to create a new account. Creating a Hotmail account is very easy once you do that. So if you want to create a Bing ads account or a Google ads account, they need new credit cards all the time, right? So when you need new credit cards, again guys, I've got you guys, I have all the answers. It's simple, just Google it guys. Again, wise.com, revolve.com. okay, these two things where you can get virtual credit cards. So imagine you can get 10, 15, 20 credit cards, and again you can create Google account or a Microsoft Bing account, and you could do it. So guys, it's very simple. Don't stop making excuses. I don't have the money, I don't have the money. I'm giving you ways you could do it. Okay, create email IDs. If not, ask your friends for their email IDs, use their credit card, beg, borrow, steal, doesn't matter. Just in the beginning, once you start making money, you can pay them back again. Now the secret bonus which I told you, you're gonna save a lot of money. So it's, let's say for example, this is my Clickbank account. Okay, so sort by gravity. Once you are done, so let's say for example, this Carbofix. Okay, so I've made some money with Carbofix as well, some around $200. Let's say if we open Carbofix. Okay, Carbofix, just control C. Okay, just control C the whole thing. Now the best thing which I use for creating ads is, again, you need to see what other competitors are doing. Okay, that's the first important criteria of doing affiliate marketing. See what's working for others, replicate it, make it much better, and then you can start making money as well. So the best thing would be iSpionage. Okay, so what is this new thing, Yavar? Again, I'm not gonna, I'll just leave the link below. Or just it's called iSpionage. Okay, so I don't know what is it called properly, but iSpionage. Okay, I'm not gonna leave my affiliate link over there. It's a free thing, you can join. So join for free. So once you join for free, just control V, let's say the Carbofix, and you can spy on their ads. Okay, so this way I save tons of money. So I just create a free account. You can do a free account. Just paste the Carbofix. Okay, now what you could see is everything zero, doesn't matter. Go on paper, click keywords. Okay, Imagine so now again, lose it app for Android. Okay, so the carbofix.com, again for Google, so these are the keywords they are using, okay, to advertise. Okay, so these are the keywords which you could use if you're using a generic ads. Okay, now you can see their ads as well, guys. That's the best thing. Okay, so let's say for example days seen, the Carbofix, so let's say 32 days. Okay, Carbofix, the official website. So this is their ads. Okay, you can see how many days are they running, and you can see everything over here. Just click over here. So this is the Carbofix official website. So imagine, let's take one more example. Let's take Okinawa flat belly tonic. Okay, let's take this one. Just press enter and search. Ads. Okay, you can see what ads are they running. Looking to lose weight. Imagine it's getting around 8,100 monthly traffic. They just launched this, okay, today or the yesterday. Looking to lose weight, watch free video. Okay, again you could use the same ad, so you could say looking to lose fat, watch this amazing video, something like this, and imagine you can get a lot of clicks. Imagine there, and then if you click over here, curves.com, again, so they're competing on this keyword. What is curves.com? So we can just open this. So let's say example, curves.com. What is curves.com? Okay, again it's, so they are doing, again they're curves for women, so they're targeting the right audience. Okay, so imagine this is the keyword right now which you could use right now to get sales. Okay, so this is something which you have never thought. This is the first time which I'm coming in as well, so it's got a good idea about it. So guys, so if you're watching this video, guys, I've made around $2,700 just with this. Now I got curves.com. So imagine these people are targeting on curves.com. You can create the same advertisement and link in Okinawa flat belly tonic, and you might get sales. So guys, that's it, guys. I hope you really enjoy the video, guys. If you find this video valuable, please consider subscribing, because I hate, telling you subscribe me in the beginning. If I provide value and if you feel that I'm worth it, then please do subscribe. And a lot of people were messaging me about please create videos every day, you have good idea. For me, I want to create videos which work for me. Okay, so this is working for me, I'll create a video for that. Okay, I'm not going to create videos just for the sake of creating, or just I just want to get results. Once I get results, I'm gonna share it with you all as well. So that's how you do it. So this is one of the secret weapon all these competitors use, which you should use as well. And again, free credit, guys, free money. Use those free money. Imagine you can get thousands of dollars for free. Okay, create a free account. Okay, get $200, spend $10, get $200. Okay, once it doesn't work out, again create a new account. And guys, with $100, trust me, if you check my case study up, guys, with only like 3-4 clicks, I made $100. So guys, it's worth it. If you want to learn more about this, guys, there's a case study which I've created it, and it's a case study, guys. A lot of people ask me, Yavar, what's inside the course? It's not a course, it's a case study. It's a simple case study where I show you how I made money. Okay, that's it, guys. And guys, trust me, any business, they believe in case study, because case study is a proven way to make money. You can check my case study. Okay, tweak it a little bit, because it made money for me, it will make money for you as well. Okay, make it, in fact, you can make much more money for you as well if you're smart enough to make it 10% better as well. So guys, that's it. I hope you really like the video and enjoy the video, and again, please consider subscribing. And Yavar Khan signing off.